client is neither big or bad.
He's a creature of his environment, often maligned in his role in modern society.
In fact, he is the perpetrator of many good deeds. Namely, Mr. Wolf recently won the Society Seal for giving candy to children.
Thank you for the information, but it'd be much better to save your explanations and rebuttals for the jury, as you wish.
Do you desire me to keep the court?
Please instruct the jury, Spencer.
February 14th, everybody else gets little red and pink hearts. Yet, pigs only get Valens swines, no respect. Pigs get no respect.
You've been instructed to listen to the evidence and render a fair decision.
Oh yes, we want to assure the court that will be fair. Oh, and if we can't, then we'll call me.
Very well. We shall proceed with charges against the big bad wolf. Sorry to interrupt, but I must again object to the terminology. Big and bad when referring to our innocent client, the young Mr. Wolf.
Anyone and everyone can plainly see our client is a simple, ordinary, everyday wolf.
Sit down, both of you. Remain seated to your rest and rise.
You got it, Judge. I'm here to do exactly as told.
You sit
pigs get no respect. Anybody else, they ask, did you have a good day? But to a pig, it's, did you bring home the bacon?
3 little pigs are chargeable with assault, battery, trespassing, and destruction of property.
I object to all of you. See, I am a sick person. So sick that it would be most difficult to find any verdict from anybody who is not in control. Do I make myself clear?
You got it, Judge. I'm here to do exactly as told.
I see.
Prosecutor will proceed.
Yes, get on with it. Yeah, we're tired of waiting.
Very well, Your Honor. Ladies of the jury, for the defense, these 3 innocent pigs were having a quiet evening at home.
Right, quiet. Did you hear that, Judge? Very quiet.
They were having a quiet evening at home when who should come puffing and puffing at their door.
Your Honor, please, the prosecution is leading the jury to erroneous conclusions by misrepresenting their client.
It should be pointed out that the wolf is health advocate.
Yeah, like, how does it go? Healthy mind, healthy body? Yeah. On the morning of the alleged puffing and puffing, he was simply jogging.
As he does every morning.
Very well, but why did this jogging lead him right up to the front door of these innocent little pigs where he not only demanded to be let in, but huffed and puffed and blew their house down?
Huffed and puffed. Really now, he sneezed.
Sneeze. Merely sneeze.
The pigs planted goldenrod all along their front steps.
Air pollution is a serious problem.
But by working together, we can enact meaningful legislation to prevent the fouling of our national skies, thus giving renewed hope for those handicapped by the very air they must breathe.
Thereby enhancing the quality of life guaranteed by Canada.